test drive 2021 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, airbags, front knee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.